Analysis of sodium carbonate's alkalinity ***. Step 1. Identify the salt composition ***. Na2CO3 is formed from strong base, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, weak acid, H2CO3, carbonic acid, ***. Step 2. Apply salt hydrolysis concept ***. When a salt of a strong base and weak acid dissolves in water, the anion undergoes hydrolysis, CO3 to the power 2 plus H2O right left turpoons HCO3 to the power plus O to the power ***. Step 3. Explain alkalinity ***. The carbonate ion, CO3 to the power 2 accepts protons from water molecules, producing hydroxide ions, O to the power, which makes the solution alkaline, pH 7. Step 4. Why other options are wrong If it were a salt of strong acid plus strong base neutral solution, no hydrolysis. If it were a salt of weak base plus strong acid acidic solution, if it were a salt of weak acid plus weak base depends on relative strengths Answer. C. A salt of a strong base and weak acid The weak carbonate ion hydrolyzes to produce O to the power ions, causing the alkaline nature of the solution. The answer is C.